Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. Happy 10th of December. 10, 10, 10. Goodness me. 10th of December. Can't believe where it's going. 14 days to go. In fact, 2 weeks today is Christmas Eve. Ooh, goodness me. Can't wait, can't wait. Actually, no. Sometimes I prefer the run up to Christmas to the actual Christmas day. Sorry, I'm just tidying around. Yeah, I managed to throw everything off my desk earlier on. Yeah, I'm just so clumsy. So I've got bits everywhere, so I'm just trying to tidy up a bit as I go. Right, okay, so we have the 3 advent calendars to open. We've got our Diamond Painting Deutschland one. We have our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation one. And we have our Fancel Snowman box one. Ooh, the lid's a bit wonky today. I must have not put it on properly. Hang on. That's better. Right, yeah, it's not doing well going up and downstairs all the time. But anyway, it's beautiful and I love it. Right, so let me just move that one out of the way over there. And let me move that one out of the way over there. I am mid-Christmas card making at the moment. I've been having to do some quite quickly because I've had, as I've said, unexpected visitors or people that have come a lot quicker and a lot earlier than I expected, and I won't see them again before Christmas. So I've had to quickly do some cards, so I've not been able to film it, but I will hopefully get some on film. But then I did think, if I'm giving people Christmas cards, if they don't open them straight away, and some people that I've given them to do watch my videos, they're going to see what the card is before they open it. But anyway, that's a whole other story, and that's a me problem. Maybe I just think too much, I don't know. Anyway, so let's have a look in this little package. This is the smallest one that we've opened. It's in one of the very small bags, and it's a very, well, I don't know what it is, to be honest. We will see. We will see. Stop trying to guess what it is, Liz. Just get it open and let's see what we've got on day 10. We've had 2 big ones, big diamond painting projects, which have been wonderful. So what do we have in here? Oh, it's in a little plastic bag. Feels like a few bits in a plastic bag. Oh, look. Oh, they're posh. But nothing else in the bag. So we have 3 seashells, all with iridescent coatings on. Very, very pretty. And they are cover minders. Okay, very nice, very useful if you use your plastic cover sheet on your diamond painting and you don't replace them with the cover sheets that they've given you. But to be fair, I have to say I do use these little cover minders to keep the little cover sheets down as well. Yeah, what I tend to do, I don't know where I've put the cover sheets now. Keep everything together in a pile, Liz, and then you can do a photo of everything you got at the end. No, because I don't know where I've put the cover sheets. Oh dear, never mind, I will search for them. But yeah, what I tend to do, those little cover sheets, the little rectangle ones that we got earlier in the unboxing, when you put those down, if you've already got gems, if particularly special drill ones or even your full drill ones, if you've already got gems on the section you're doing and you want to cover it over, sometimes if you just pop your little magnet over the top, so you put that one over the top and that one underneath your project, then you find it just keeps it in place and stops it from moving, to stop any dust or fluff getting on your painting or your project until you come back to it. So let me see if I can find them and show you what I mean. I can't find the cover sheets. I've put them in a safe place. I tell you, I am absolutely hopeless. This room has just got to be cleared out and put away neatly again. And I can't tell you how many times I've actually done that and it still ends up in this state. But anyway, so yeah, so if you get a cover minder, if you've got a plastic sheet over something, plastic sheet, let's use the bag. So you've got your cover sheet, we're doing a lot of pretend here. So you've got your cover sheet over your project and you've maybe done all of the green bit here, but the red bit is still sticky. So just put that over there and then you would just put your cover minder, because you've got your magnet on one side there, and then you'd put the other magnet on the other side, and then it just keeps it in place. So you've got, oops, see if we can see. It's very dark again today. Let's move it up a bit so you can see. Yeah, so your magnet just goes on the other side. So it just protects your project. So yeah, it's not just for canvases that have the plastic cover on. And they are also needle minders as well for anybody that does cross stitch. But yeah, you can actually use, what most people use them for is when you're using, when you're doing like a partial drill or a full drill and you've done a little bit and you're finding that every time you let go of this it flops back, then you just actually get your cover sheet that comes on your canvas and put your magnet on there, and it stops it from flapping back while you're working on this corner. And then when you're done, you just pop it off and it just covers it back over again. So it depends which way you work, but as I say, I do use them with the little cover sheets as well. So yeah, all good fun. But these are very, very pretty. Would they be worth £5.50? I would think they would probably be a couple of pounds each if you looked on some of the sites, because they are... Oh. They are very magnetic and very pretty. And for my next trick, let's look at them singly then, or keep them well away from each other. So we've got like a peachy coloured one, we've got like an aqua and lemony colour one, and then we've got a purple and a bluey colour one. They're very pretty, and they've got the little stars in the corner with some very teeny tiny stars next to them. So they are very nice, and the magnets are well and truly on there. In fact, that one, has it pinched a magnet from somebody else? Yes, it has. Look, it's... Oh dear me, there it is. Thank goodness. If it had gone on the floor it would have never been seen again. That was quite good actually. That just went bing and disappeared right off the desk. Oh dear, it's just been one of those days. I am not safe to be let out today. It's a good job, but hubby is at home today all day, so I'm in the house and looking after him. I'm looking after him. I think I need looking after. Goodness me. Right, so yeah, that is our day number 10. As I say, very pretty. I have bought something similar, but I think mine were diamonds that I bought. They were a similar sort of colour palette to these with the iridescence on, but there were little diamonds, and I'm sure I paid more than £2 for it. It might have even been £3. I know I did think, oh, this is quite a bit of money, but yeah. So that is fitting in quite nicely with our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation advent calendar, because it would fit in one of these, wouldn't it? So let me get this. So I've taken them all out, so you don't have to watch me taking them all out again. Hubby's downstairs is very, very different. It is like the little 3D, like, what are they, polymer? I don't know. They're like plastic, rubberized, like little figures. So yeah, I must remember to bring those upstairs to show you. But yeah, let's have a look in here. Number 10, number 10. Come in, number 10. Oh, 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 oh. So what have we got today? Oh, oh. Oh! We've got the cat. So when I told you about Aunt Bethany and she wraps the jello and the cat up, well, it looks like we have the cat in the box, and it's really, really funny. Chevy Chase does the thing where he's going as though the cat's jumping around in the box. Yeah, no cats were harmed in the making of the film, although there is a bit of a disastrous bit in the middle of it, and if you like cats you might not want to watch it, but it is exceptionally funny. So yeah, even as a cat lover I laughed. So there we have a cat tail coming out of a present. And actually, I think hubby has had that one. He's had different figures to me. He has had Audrey, and he has had part of the RV. And I'm just trying to think what else he's had. He's definitely had this one because I remember laughing at it when I saw it. But he's had different figures. He's had more of the family figures. So it will be interesting to see if they are all the same. It's just that I've got like the chunky acrylic ones and he's got like the little play type ones. So yeah, but all good fun. Oh my goodness. That's excellent. So yeah, we've got a cat in a tail. A cat in a tail. A cat's tail hanging out of a box. Oh dear. Not a good day. Right, so on to the fan cells one. Da, da, da. And what have we got in the box? So number 10, they're decorating my desk quite nicely. Oh, number 10's down here, so let us have a look. And they do push in nicely, these, but I want them to come out so I can look. Oh, we've got a push. Oh my goodness, you can't get these out. They are so big. Oh no, and I can't put my hand through because there's a wooden thing there. Oh my goodness. Oh, there must be a wooden partition thing in this. I've not realised. Oh, that'll be interesting. Oh gosh. Oh look, I've ripped it now. I don't want to rip my Santa. I won't be keeping him after Christmas, but I did want to just sort of keep him. Oh, look at that. I am definitely not having a good day. I'd better not be handling any china or anything valuable today because I think I'm just in a very clumsy mood. No change there then, was the cry. Oh, and I've got some black on me from somewhere. The box, yeah, it must be all lined inside then with all little partitions. Oh, that'll be interesting when we've got it finished then to see what it looks like without the innards in. Interesting. But yes, today is a lovely little, not quite a hot pink, but it's like a pinky purple with a silver top there rather than our gold. And it's got all like facets and patterns and, oh look, I've definitely got black off this box from somewhere. Must be from the inside because it's not black on the outsides at all. Strange. But yay, we've got a lovely bauble. Look at that one. They are a nice size, these, you know, considering it's an advent calendar. You know, if you went and looked at this advent calendar, you wouldn't expect things of this size to be in it. So they really have crammed them in. All right, they're not the most expensive things in the world, these, but they're a little bit extra to the box that you're getting and quite a bit of fun. And yeah, they're looking quite posh on my desk. Oh, they don't look... What on earth was that? Oh, look, it's the magnets jumping together again. I'm not going to keep these apart, am I? Look, and that one's stuck on that. Oh! Oh, goodness, Liz, what are you like? Oh, hecky thump. Right, I'll just put that sort of there. I think I'm just going to put things down and stop touching anything because everything that I'm touching is just disappearing or breaking. Oh my goodness me. Oh dear. Right, I am going to end this video here because I just don't think I'm safe. Okay, so we started off with our lovely Diamond Painting Deutschland magnets, which I'm trying to keep out of the way. To be honest, the iridescents, they keep changing colour. This one looks really greeny now to me. This one looks sort of quite a bright orange, and this one looks very blue. So depending on where you look at them, it depends on what colour they are with having the coating on. But yeah, something useful and practical. So it'd be interesting to see what we get tomorrow. And yeah, we've got the cat in the box, which is excellent. I've been talking about National Lampoons with my friend because if you watched yesterday and the day before, you will know we had Lottie Lou staying with us, and Mum asked if we could look after her while she went to a National Lampoon's video watching or DVD watching party, and she said everybody else had got dressed up because she's never seen the film before. She did thoroughly enjoy it, fortunately. She'd never seen the film before, and so she didn't know about getting dressed up, but she said there was people dressed up in all sorts of funny things. Some of the characters, a friend that was hosting the party has got both of the different advent calendars, so she had all those bits out, but they had all snacks and everything, and they were all just laughing along together. It was quite a house full. I think they had a brilliant time. So I mean, what a fantastic way to start your Christmas parties off, by having a National Lampoon's video watching party. So yeah, they had great fun. So while Lottie was with us, yeah, she went and watched and she had a really good time, so it was great to hear about that. So yeah, the cat in the box, I told her to watch out for the cat. And then finally we've got this huge bauble. I just can't believe that they've managed to get these in these little boxes. They say they must have put them all in the boxes underneath and then put the lid on top without realising they're going to be a little bit difficult to take out. But yeah, we'll give Santa it to hold again. Look, put it around his thumb there, so he's got it dangling from his thumb. That's me done for the 10th of December. Oh my goodness, I better be careful cooking tonight because I don't want to be dropping anything else. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you for all the comments you've been putting. It's just really made me laugh. I do read them all out to hubby as well, and he has a giggle along with me, so thank you. He's really cheering us up. And if you want to come back and see what happens on the 11th, see if the clumsiness is still there, and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down, oops, in this corner, down here, gosh, do you know, I've done this so many times, but I've moved my tablet now to a different place so I can see it better. I keep forgetting that I've moved it and I can't see what I'm doing. So, oh goodness. Just another day in the Harrison household. What can I say? Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again tomorrow or sometime soon. So take care, everybody, and I hopefully will see you all again soon. Bye for now.